This is Pleasant Grove Baptist Church, and I've done several things here. My dad was raised here, and of course I grew up here too, and I've made a couple of prayer benches out here and collection plates.
Tony is a very energetic person. He loves to garden, he loves to do woodworking, he loved to cut trees, and he used to cut firewood for the stove before this illness took over.
I have permanent muscle damage, and there's nothing bringing that damage back out of there.
So Mr. Jeter, he has an autoimmune disease, so his muscles and his nerves aren't communicating like they should. And Mr. Jeter receives IVIG, which that is an infusion composed of antibodies that help his muscles and nerves communicate better. So essentially, the infusions keep his symptoms at bay and from regressing.
So I get it every 6 weeks, and Anna comes out to the house and hooks us up as we are, and we get the infusion. And of course, after that, I'm taking a nap.
Yeah.
CSI Pharmacy is a very dynamic company, and they're flexible. They can change with you if you need to change. They send nurses to your home, which is wonderful. You don't have to get out in the rain, the snow. You don't have to fight traffic.
So the in-home infusion is fantastic. It saved me a lot of money in the long run, lots of money. I would have to go no telling where to get this done if it wasn't for home infusion. And CSI are the people to do it.
Anna is precious. We can talk to her. She listens. That's very important. She listens to what we have to say. We feel comfortable because she's like our daughter.
One time it snowed 10 inches, and she had to bring her dad's truck out there to get me done, but she did it.
I knew I needed to see Mr. Jeter, so I got my dad to let me use his truck because he has four-wheel drive. And I drove down to Mr. Jeter, and I made sure he got his infusion.
There's a big difference from where he was to where he is, but he is alive, and that's what CSI Pharmacy has done.
This gives me the opportunity to do what I need to do at home.
This is the future. The nurses and doctors coming out to the patient's house rather than all of us going in to see the doctors.
I would tell patients who are thinking about receiving home infusion that it's very beneficial to them because the one-on-one care is unmatched with CSI Pharmacy.
It is just, it's really a godsend.